Hey everyone, it's Ollie here. I'm in a bit of a different backdrop than normal. I'm in the Maldives, enjoying a bit of time off after what has been a very long season. Enjoying some good weather, some time with my girlfriend, which is quite rare. It's really a great opportunity to be here, relaxing a lot before we start again, which is very soon with the 2026 season. And I'm here at the JOALI Being hotel. I've been having a very relaxed week. You're going to see me arriving at the first race in a very good state of mind, thanks to everyone at JOALI Being.
Yeah, so it's been a long season. You know, it's my first full season, and with that comes a big toll on your energy levels. And I've definitely found towards the end of the year that I found myself more tired more often, with the amount of travel that we're doing. So JOALI Being seemed like a perfect candidate to spend some time to relax, recharge those batteries after what had been a very long year, and reset also for next year, because it comes around very quickly. My first impression was very positive because I'd never actually been to the Maldives, so I've never been in such a unique place, these small islands, intimate islands, and it's very special because it's super unique. It's nothing like I've ever experienced before. It's truly calming and relaxing. First of all, the scenery and the layout of the island, but also the people allow you to be very relaxed and very calm. Been here for a week now, and it's just been gradually stress relieving and gradually recharging the battery. So I don't think there's one specific moment, but the team have planned a really cool itinerary for me and my girlfriend, and we've done a lot of really fun and unique things, and adding them all together have just allowed us to take our minds away from normal life and enjoy the tranquility of being here. It's a very early stage of my career, and definitely the busiest year of my life has been this one, so I probably didn't appreciate how important it is to recover well and re-energize well, because it's really an important factor of performing. I think it's an important thing to be energized and re-motivated, because I feel like if you never have a break, it's tough to reset those motivation and energy levels. So I think this year has taught me a lot about managing energy levels and how, regardless of what happens, you are going to be tired at the end of the year. And that's why coming to a hotel like this has been great for me to recharge those batteries and really feel the difference. Waking up and feeling energized is a great feeling, coming from the end of the season where I was waking up and not feeling energized at all. Living well has definitely been something I've done this week. I've been very lucky to have this experience and the tranquility and the lack of stress and pressure, which those are two things that we are, as in my job, I'm under those stresses and pressures all the time, and then you come here and it's the total opposite, and it's actually difficult to find anything that stresses you, and that's a really positive thing and something that is rare to find, I think, in this world. It's the perfect way for me to finish my year. I think overall it's been a very special holiday for myself. It's been my first time in the Maldives, and it's always somewhere that I've dreamed of going. It's one of those holiday destinations that is like a bucket list one, really. The place itself is magical, and the layout of the country, of the islands, is very unique. I'm just very lucky to have experienced this in such a beautiful hotel, spend time alone with my girlfriend as well, which is quite a rare thing for us with how busy we are. So the whole experience in general has been really special. I've met some incredible people along the way as well, and also had the fortune to do all of these incredible experiences. I think the one that will stick with me, it was probably the tennis lesson that I had. That was actually my first ever time having a tennis lesson, and I realized that I'm really bad at tennis. But the instructor was super nice, very open, and we just really enjoyed it. He taught me a lot, and I was able to, not get stressed or annoyed about a game of tennis where normally I do. And yeah, you know, I'm a competitive person as well, so I like playing sport, and that was really good fun.